Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Orphan Helper On Roadside Mern web application. First, open the MongoDB. Click the connect. Left side you can see the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can see the datas. Next, open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the SRC folder. Here you can see the three folders: backend, client and database. Click backend. Here you can see the models and routers. Models can have the field names, and then routers have the get put post code. And then click the client. Click SRC and then click components. Here you can see the Reactjs components files. And then click database. Here you can see the database names. Then click the readme text. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure to open the Mern web application. And then you can see the login details also here. Now we run the backend and client. Open the terminal. Copy the cd space backend and paste to the terminal. Now install the node models. Copy npm install and paste to the terminal. I have been already installed, so move to the next step. Copy npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the backend database connection is ready. Next, connect the client. Copy the cd client and paste to the terminal. And then install the node models and then copy the npm run dev and paste to the terminal. Now the client also connected. Copy the URL and paste to the web browser. Here we have two roles, user and admin. Click the user. Before you log in, click the register button. Here you can enter the fields for user registration. Login successfully. Here we have several models. Let's start the post orphan found. Here you can enter the fields for post the orphan details. So choose the image. And enter the name, age, select the gender, and then enter all the fields. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be posted. And then click view orphan. Whatever has been posted, you can see here. If you want to edit the image, using the edit image to edit the image. If you want to edit any field, you can do it here. Once you edit it, click the update button, it will be updated. And then click the geo map, it will update the location. Click the show map, it will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the updated location. And then click search all orphan. Here you can see the all orphan details. If you want to give any request, you can do it here. Enter the fields, name, relation, mobile, and then select the image. Click the submit button, it will be posted. And then click the feedback. Here you can post your feedback. And then click the show map. Here you can see the location. Then click view emergency contact info. Here you can see the emergency contact details. Click the show map. Here you can see the location. And then click my request. Here you can see your request details. Here you can search the request. Then click other request. Here you can see the others request. And then click view feedback. Here you can see your feedback. Then click my profile. Here you can see your profile details. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Next, move to the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password, and then click the login button. Login successfully. Admin can manage the 4 models. Click view orphan. Here you can see the orphan details. Here you can using the search options. And then click post contact info. Here you can post the emergency information. Enter the email ID, type, address, city and contact. Then click the submit button. It will be posted. Whatever has been posted, you can see here. If you want to edit anything, click the edit button. Here you can edit. And then if you want to delete, click the delete button. It will be deleted. And then click the geo map. It will update the location. Click show map. It will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the updated location. And then click user details. Here you can see the user details. Here you can using the search options. So this is a Orphan Helper on Roadside.